All right, quick market check-in. Is now a smart time to sell in Washington, and especially around Seattle? Hey, I'm Marv Nicholson, and this is Living Big in Seattle. I've been a realtor here in Washington for over 20 years. If you're looking at the Eastside or Snohomish County, Bothell, Mill Creek, Edmonds, Linwood, Muttletoe, Everett, hit subscribe and tell me which city you're considering, and I'll show you what it's really like, what homes are selling for, and what to watch out for, so you can make a smart move. Let's get into it. Let's start with Seattle. January 2026. The median sale price in Seattle was about $795,000. That's basically flat year over year. So not a boom, not a crash. Homes took longer to sell though. About 62 days on market on average, up from 46 days last year. And there were 391 homes sold in Seattle in January, down from 426 last year. Now zoom out statewide. Washington's median sale price in January 2026 was about $595,600, down 1.6% year over year. And NWMLS, this is the local MLS side, reported a statewide median of $59,500 in January 2026, with King County at $770,000 and Snohomish at $678,500. So, the story is, prices are holding better than people think, but the market is slower and buyers are more careful. Here's what's changed. This is not the market where you throw a sign in the yard and 20 offers show up. Zillow's Seattle dashboard shows homes going pending in around 43 days. And it also shows more than half of sales, about 52.7%, are selling under list price, while about 21.9% sell over list. That's from late 2025 data. Translation: buyers have more room to negotiate than they did a couple years ago. But good homes still win. And when I say good homes still win, here's what I mean. In this market, turnkey homes, homes that are clean, updated, and ready to move into, are consistently selling faster and closer to asking price. That 62-day average in Seattle, it's real, but it's also blended. The well-prepared homes, many of those are going pending in the first couple of weeks. The homes that need work, feel dated, or are priced like it's still 2021, those are the ones stretching that average out. And this makes sense when you look at rates. At roughly 6% mortgage rates, buyers are already stretching their monthly payment. So, when they walk into a home and immediately see projects, old flooring, tired kitchens, deferred maintenance, they start calculating future costs. And in this environment, a lot of buyers just don't want that extra risk. On the other hand, when a home feels move-in ready, fresh paint, updated finishes, good lighting, clean landscaping, strong listing photos, buyers feel confident, and confident buyers move faster. So the shift right now isn't that homes aren't selling. It's that preparation matters more than it did when money was cheap and everything was competitive. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: rates. Freddie Mac's weekly survey shows the 30-year fixed has been hovering around 6% in February 2026, like 6.09% on February 12th, and then 5.98% on February 26th. That matters because a small rate change affects what buyers can afford, and that directly affects demand. Okay, here's how I think about it. I don't start with, is this the perfect time? I start with, is it smart for you? I look at 4 things. 1, your equity position. If you've got strong equity and you're thinking about downsizing, simplifying, or relocating, selling from strength is usually better than waiting until you have to move. Your home's market fit. In today's market, homes that are clean, well-presented, and priced correctly still move. Homes that feel dated, cluttered, or overpriced, they sit longer because buyers have more choices and more patience. This matches the longer days on market trend we're seeing in Seattle. 3. Your timeline. If you need a fast sale, the market can still do it, but it has to be positioned right. If you're flexible, you have more options to test pricing and adjust. 4. Your next step. This one is the biggest. Where are you going after you sell? Selling is easy. Selling well and landing the next step without stress, that's the real win. And I'm just going to say it plainly. Sometimes waiting is wise. If selling would force you into a rushed next move, then the right time might be when your plan is clearer. Right now, this market is best for homeowners with equity who want a calm, planned move, sellers willing to price realistically, people who want to sell clean, not chase the market. It's tougher for sellers who want yesterday's prices and today's slower pace, homes that need positioning but aren't prepared for it. If you're a homeowner in Washington and this question, should I sell now or wait, has been sitting in the back of your mind, here's what I'd encourage you to do. Subscribe to Living Big in Seattle. I share real numbers, real context, and how I actually help people think through these decisions without pressure. And if you want this content to be useful to you, leave a comment with the city you're in and what you're trying to figure out. Let's build a smart plan so when you move from strength.